You're too close again. Thank you. How are you doing, dude? You're in the red. Kind of daydream. No matter how slow you went, that was not a stop. Go! Would you go? Stupid, go! There's nobody coming, go! Go. Dude, I can't go. Would you fucking go? Stupid fuck. People coming, now he goes, you dumbass. You're all that matters. Only you did not stop. Only. Oh, sweet Redeemer, won't you stop at that stop sign? Could you be any closer to that guy or what? Oh, fuck. Exit dive. Not paying attention. I'm new here, alright? You're in the red. Right turn, straight lane. Toyota. Exit dive. Oh, hi, there's someone there, you know. That's right. You're in the red. Where's your helmet, stupid? You're in Massachusetts now. Stay in your lane, stay in your lane, stay in your lane. Yep. Fuck, dude, what the hell? What the hell? Out of that. Is that an exit dive? That's an exit dive. Toyota. Oh, no, it was not an exit dive. He just decided to cut over for no fucking reason.
Moments later.
Listen to it, go through it, contemplate it, but don't take it. Exit dive, sorta. Right at route 4 again. Uh-oh. Hey. What the hell are you doing? Thank you. Yeah. Sure, cut him off too. Dimwits! Tired. Jesus. douchebag. Have a stop tailgating, lady. Chick on the side, show you do. You know you got a chick on the side. Stop! Stop, good truck. Stop! Yeah, it's close, yeah. Stop, Minnie. Stop, Minnie. Stop, Minnie. Minnie made no attempt to stop. Now, let's see. Yep. Yep. No, you're not supposed to jump into a funeral procession! It's a funeral! I can't jump in it, you moron! Okay, you're not turning left. Why did you have to cut him off? Because Toyota. Oh, that was a cutoff. eBay slamming, all wasting time. Get out of the way, bird! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Jive-ass turkey. Did you stop? You did not stop. Tailgate much? And exit dive. Exit dive.
Exit right, then straight on.
That was a cutoff. That's the worst yard sale I've ever seen. You're not gonna stop, are ya? Nope. Nope. Yep. Hi, how you doing? Hello. I think that was an exit dive. Yes, it was. And we're gonna have some shit. Run it.